take raw sewage and we de-water it. We separate the water from the solids. We clean the water and then we dry the solids, and that then becomes a resource.
So after we dry the feces, we fill it into a barrel, as you are seeing now. Then we burn it. After it's burned, this is what you have. That is charcoal. We grind it to powder and press it out into very nice charcoal shapes for domestic cooking.
Okay, toilet toilet ben no ake do oni enu o ka ke fe na enwe fa e ya ke no na yi opo ake toilet du o ahun no na ke ho ni o nu ele abanya use ni use we fa e chen wa.
This charcoal from raw sewage is going to help solve the issue of deforestation in Ghana, which is a huge problem. People are going to use less charcoal that is made from wood, which of course is coming from the forest. We hope that in the near future, this product charcoal from raw sewer will set an example for other African countries to follow.